In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make digital wall art to sell on Etsy desktop. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to Google Gemini. On the home page, click Ask Gemini to open the chat box. In the prompt field, type minimalist abstract blue and beige wall art for modern living room. Press Submit or Send. When an image is generated, download it. Choose the highest resolution version available and save it with a clear file name. Before selling, make sure the generated image is permitted for commercial use and aligns with platform guidelines. Next, go to your Etsy Shop Manager and open Listings. Click Add a Listing to create a new product page. In the Photos and Video section, upload the artwork you just downloaded. Use a clean, well-lit mock-up if you have one, and set the best image as the first photo, since that becomes the thumbnail shoppers see. Move to Item Details and fill out the essentials. Select the most accurate category for digital wall art, then craft a title that's descriptive and searchable, such as minimalist abstract blue and beige wall art, modern living room printable. Clarity helps buyers and improves discoverability. Open item options to specify what buyers receive. For digital wall art, you can indicate orientation and size information so shoppers know exactly what fits their space. In attributes, add details like primary color, room, style, and subject. These fields act like filters on Etsy and help the right customers find your listing. Set your price and inventory next. Choose a price that reflects the quality and the time you invested. For a digital item, inventory can remain available without restocking. When everything looks good, use Preview to double-check images and text. Then either save as draft to refine later or publish to make it live. That's it. Your digital wall art is ready for Etsy shoppers to discover.